So I'm just gonna try. So we're gonna.
Oh. But this time I'm gonna get it down. Just.
To where I said it's a very nice bag. So our pizzas are here. Oh, it smells nice. We've come here early in the morning. You can see all the horse and carriage, tange, lined up. Subah subah cleaners lage hue hain. The cleaners are cleaning everywhere, everywhere. The streets, everywhere. So I'm just gonna try one of these out. They're like sugary donut, I think. So he's just put some sugar on this donut. It's still so warm, hot, that I can feel the heat. So I just took one so that I could just taste it. So guys, I got this donut and I'm gonna take a bite. Bismillah. So look at that. So you can see that it's really airy and it's really chewy as well, but it's very nice. Very, very nice. So we're gonna sit here and have breakfast today on the rooftop. Or the kitchen. So it's really lovely. I'll थोड़े से झांका झांकी करे in the old. देखो चिड़िया भी है. Bird. Oh look, they've got orange. Look at all of that orange. You see the गलियाँ. ऊपर से तो पाकिस्तान की तरह सा feeling आती है. But that's because it's in a city. In a city is always going to be like this. This is the tea leaves.
I'm gonna show you. If it's
Yeah.
empty. Okay, 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna see if it's full. No, just only 3.5.
Okay.
So. Here's 3 mints and.
So this is a different mint.
Yeah, they are different.
And this one is a different mint leaf.
Okay, this one. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna go. This one is too small, so you need to push. Okay. Okay. So we're gonna mix the tea right here. Oh, and we're gonna do it again for 5 or. To make the mint with tea and sugar.
The higher the better.
Is it hot?
Yeah, I'm gonna do this too.
Just go out. Just go out. Don't be scared. Go. That's perfect. Okay. No. So, is it hot? Perfect.
Oh, and then you do it again.
Yeah, the last time, yeah. But this time I'm gonna get it down. Just hit it. Okay, perfect. Now it's perfect. Yeah. So just put it again down a little gap for you.
Oh, so just here.
No. Just put it in.
Oh.
Yeah. It's done. That's why I bring another seat. Another cup. So this one for you.
Hold on. Like this.
We're gonna put it in like this. Gonna bring that one here.
Can you make it?
1, 2, and 3. Go like this, higher and higher. Perfect.
Wow.
And now it's perfect. Oh, perfect.
So we have just reached Agadir. So we're just driving through towards the hotel where we're going to be staying. It took us about 3 hours from Marrakech. Came non-stop to Agadir. So in case you've missed out on my previous videos, don't forget to watch them. Where we landed, we came from Edinburgh Airport to Agadir. And Agadir we rented a car, came to Marrakech. We spent about 3 nights here, and we've come back to Agadir, and we're going to spend a couple of more nights here in Agadir, and then go back to Edinburgh, Scotland. So make sure you're subscribed, you're tuned in, and give me a thumbs up if you like these videos as well. And share with your family and friends, and let me know in the comments what's your best moment of these videos. So guys, we've just come to a pizza place. We're gonna grab some pizza and then check into the hotel. And we've just stepped onto Agadir. We need to get under the crossing part. And the temperature is so much nice. What's the temperature? 23. So from 47 to 23. Big difference, and we're like, thank God.
Indian pizza.
So, Dylan, go and tell me what should we get then. So this is the shop that we just went into where I said the dresses are really nice. So this is where the restaurant is. So whilst waiting for our pizza, we thought we'd quickly have a little 5-second walk. Turned into 5 minutes, but anyway. So guys, we've just seen this modest swimming wear. It's a full swimming costume like this, right? And then they've got this tie scarf that you can just tie around like that around the waist, and it is for 389 dirham, so that's about 39 pounds. We've got some really nice dresses in here as well. I'm not going to buy any right now, but anyway, got lovely, they go 279, so 27 pound, 28 pound. Very nice. Oh, this is nice. This is cute. Isn't it? It's very nice. It's a very nice bag. All these dresses. Huh? Oh, very good. And I really like, they've got loads of clothes. Very nice. Oh, this is, have you seen this? Look how cute this is. Like a little jacket. Huh? So our pizzas are here. This is a 4 seasons pizza, so it's got 4 types of meat. And then this is a margherita pizza. Oh, it smells nice. This is a lot.
Wait, you can have the cost.
Not now you're having it.
But the guy had a knife, like...
Because the one time, like, one that came back, I think the thing must have been... And the mist surrounds it as well.
See, I told you it was a hotel.
ये अपनी फैमिली के साथ क्या कर रही है